welcome back. This is Princess of Princess Ville, and yes, we are going to do a full face makeup tutorial. This I would recommend if you are going to attend to a party, a night out, or maybe you're an attendee or a guest on a wedding or a special ceremony. This is okay. Okay, so let's just get it on. The things that I'll be using are down in the description box below. If you want to know what are this or what are those, just click there. Okay, so first one is finish na akong nag-cleansing. So now I will put my sunscreen. And then I will put my Holy Grail primer. This is the Hourglass. This is the bomb. So just a little.
Goes a long, long way for this.
This one. And I always use a damp makeup sponge. I have tried using makeup brushes and my bare hand. I still prefer this, using this one. So this is already a damp one. I've washed this one already. So now let's shake. Let's give this one a good shake. This will be my first time to use this foundation. So I am really hoping that this will give justice to what other people said.
Let's try.
Now let's try covering my skin imperfections with this. This is a concealer I got from Yves and Laurent. After that one, I will use my Kat Von D Blacquer translucent powder.
Okay, this is what I'm going to use to set it. Oh boy. So let's do like the baking.
So while I'm doing the baking process, I will now go proceed to my eyebrows. Alright, I'm done. So this is what I've come up with. I hope that I gave justice to the request of my pretty and sexy, sweet cousin Liling. Oh, by the way, she's Ronalie. I always call her by that, Liling. So, hi Ling, this is it. Madali lang siyang gawin. Of course, kapag bago ka pa, you would have to like practice muna. And did you notice I did not use any eyeshadow quad. I made use of what I have kasi hindi talaga ako ma-eyeshadow na person. So I was kind of terrified and challenged when my cousin asked me to do a full glam kind of makeup tutorial. So wait, my love it. Okay, so yeah, when I go to a party or special occasions, this is what I often use or often do. This would be my look. That's all that I came up with. I hope you learned and you like this one. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and for comments or suggestions or any requests, just place it under the comment box below, and all the things that I've used will be placed in the description box if you want to know the variants, the names, and the shades of it. So there, this is my full glam already. Okay, so that would be all for this video tutorial. I will see you all soon. Thank you so much.